In order to add your running records levels to LinkIt, you'll go over to the sidebar, you'll go to Data Locker and enter results. Here's just where you'll need to select the grade, the area, and then the form now will be the the winter form because it's mid-year. I don't know if you'll have the same tab where you'll have to select all the students, but if you do, you'll just find our school, your name, and then you'll go from there with entering your students. So for example, if I use Miss Petrozo's class, I would then go to reading and all her students would be listed, and then I would enter results by clicking that enter results button, which will take you to this new page where the independent level can be entered and the instructional level can be entered as well. And if you have any notes that you want to keep here, you can absolutely do that, but that is totally optional. When adding these levels, you can either use the drop down or you could type right into it and it'll add just right there for you. Just make sure to press save and close or save results, and then your results will be added to the data locker for LinkIt.